So the very first thing that I'm going to tell you is that you would never be good enough to do something. When I started in my business, I didn't even know about some of those things. So you don't have to be perfect to actually start providing a service, because you actually learn on the job. The very first thing that I would encourage you to do is go and create your profile on Fiverr.com, because over there people not don't expect a very high quality stuff, and you can actually get gigs easily on Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com, as I was mentioning, is a website where you can create your gigs, and you can it's a freelancing website where you can get paid to do content writing. So as I can show you, these are all different gigs of content writing, and you can actually find one of the gigs and just use that as an, like, it's copy that and paraphrase that in your own terms. But uh, you in that gig you can write, I will write expert business or investment article, or expert whatever article it is, mention the details, and start doing freelancing from there. If you are not able to get gigs through Fiverr, I would still encourage you to at least start providing services in free to startup. Just reach out to startup and just say, I'll happy to write a content for you. Just allow me to write 2 pieces of content completely free. If you like it, then I'm going to write more. So you write one and you write second, and then you take it from there. Now, if you are in your first year in BTech and you are thinking about this, that's great. Do not give up on this due to pressure of the studies. Don't waste your time in classroom. Don't waste your time in trying to get good marks. If you're getting average marks, that's good enough. Your marks are not going to get you a good job. Your classroom is not going to get you a good job. Your teachers are not going to get you a good job. It is this freelancing stuff that's going to get you a good job. Even if you want to get a good job in technology, that's fine. You start as a content writer now, start doing technical content writing. You don't have to be good enough, and save that time that you would spend in classrooms. And, like, of course you have to go to class, that's fine, but don't waste your further time in just mugging up the books and studying for the examination. If you have, yeah, attending your classroom, just submitting your assignment, then you should have plenty of time left to pursue your content writing business. Yunus Khan, you're great, sir. Thank you so much. You're